Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing a Flipkart haul with you guys. Now in this video or in this haul, I just got only two things for myself. The other things that I got are all gifts for my family members. So yeah, and in this video the two things that I got are skincare and body care, except that the other things that I got are shoes, they are footwear, and all the footwears were so cheap and they were so affordable yet so good quality. I do not remember the prices of any of the things at the back of my head at the moment, but I'll mention the prices down below, and I'll also mention the prices in the description box, so you can check that out for the prices of them. So this is a very affordable footwear haul, or a Flipkart affordable shoe haul if you want to say it like that. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe, and if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. So I'll get started with the only two things that I got for myself. So the first thing that I got is this Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete Vitamin C Serum. This lightens spots faster, and in the ad I saw that this is supposed to lighten acne scars within 3 days of usage. I do not have acne scars personally, so I cannot test that out, but I am currently using this serum and I have some thoughts about it. I will be using this a little bit more so that I can give you guys a proper review. So this is the first thing that I got. The MRP of this is $449, but I certainly did get this at a discount, so I'll mention the discounted price below. The second thing that caught my attention and I also got is the Garnier Skin Naturals Moisturizing Serum in Lotion. This again says light complete. I do not endorse that. If you watch my videos regularly, you know I am against this lightening, brightening, fairness theme, but I got this because this has vitamin C in it, and also this has UV protection, so this will work as a SPF for your body as well. So this is the main reason I got it. Obviously I did not get it for the light complete action, and I know it won't lighten my skin. I just got this for the SPF and for the vitamin C. So the MRP of this is $275 for about, I don't know how much product, for 250 ml of product. This again I think I got on a discount. I'll mention the price in the bottom. I haven't tried this one out yet because I'm a very lazy person. I skip doing my skincare most of the time, and for my body I do nothing. I don't even apply moisturizer on my body. I'm so lazy, so I'll have to use this to see if it did work or not. So this was the second thing that I got. Now coming to the exciting part, coming to the shoes that I got. I'll first show you the shoe that I got for my dad. So this is the first time that I got gifts for my family for Pujo with my own money, the money that I earned and not the money that my parents gave me. So I do not earn a lot. I'll be very real with you guys. I do not earn a lot at the moment, and this is the least that I could afford and that I could spend on my family. So these gifts might not be the most expensive, but I can tell you that I'm giving these gifts from my whole heart, and I'm really very happy that I'm able to give my family gifts this Pujo. So I got my father these loafers. My father loves wearing loafers, so I got him these loafers. These are dark brown in colors and they have this bow detailing in the front. My father loves wearing loafers. He does not wear any other shoe except loafers. He is a loafer, he loves wearing loafers. So So this is the loafer that I got for my father. It's very good quality. There is no loose thread or loose material all over the shoe, and the sole of the shoe is also very soft. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's a cushion material and it's very good quality. The bottom part is also really nice. It has got grips on the bottom as well, so you won't get the problem of slipping. So I'm really happy and pleasantly surprised with the quality of the shoes that I got for such reasonable prices. I'll be very honest with you guys, I've never shopped for clothing or footwear from Amazon or Flipkart. I've never, trusted them enough to buy footwear or clothing from them. I always buy my footwear from either Catwalk or some brand like that offline, or I buy them offline from Myntra or brands like that. But this is the first time that I got shoes from Flipkart and I'm very impressed by this. And this is, I don't know, the brand is not mentioned here, so I'll link this product down below in the description box. So if you like this, you can check it out from the description box below. Next up, I got these tan colored flats for my mother. My mother and I have the same foot size, that is 38, and this is what they look like. These are tan flats and they have this really cute bow detailing on the top, and these are sliders. My mother usually wears heels that you get by the brand Catwalk, but I wanted to gift her these so that she could wear these regularly and kind of use it for daily use. So these are the flats that I got for my mother. These are really pretty, again very good quality, very sturdy, not flimsy or cheap at all, and I'm definitely going to wear these because me and my mother have the same feet size. Now for the baby in our family, I got the same shoes but in a very small size. Not a baby by age but a baby by foot size. I got these sliders for my sister. They are the same design but in a different color. They are a very vibrant turquoise blue. These are again good quality, same design, but this one's sole is also the same color as the bow. The tan one does not have the same effect, and the tan one's sole is not suede, but this one's is suede as well. Sorry, it's velvet as well. So yeah, this is the third pair of shoe that I got. Now other than my parents and my sister, the other two very close people to me are my grandmothers of either side, my maternal grandmother and my paternal grandmother, Dadi or Nani, or if you want to say Thakuma and Dida. They are very close to me. I cannot even imagine one day without talking to them. So I got the same design in two colors for both of them, but unfortunately these are a little small for them, so I have to get them exchanged. And this is the first one that I got. These are like really pretty flats as well. They don't wear heels, they want really comfortable shoes. This one's sole is again very soft, it's not hard, and the design is somewhat like this. It's a criss-cross kind of a design. This one I got for my maternal grandma, and this is in a silver color, silver and gray kind of a combination, and this is what it looks like. Again, my grandma's foot size is same as mine, and I know that they would like these shoes because these are the kind of shoes that they like to wear. And this is by the brand Shoetopia. By the way, I forgot to mention the previous two flats that I got for my mother and my sister were by the brand PK Cart, and this and the other shoe that I'm showing right now are by the brand Shoetopia. So the other shoe and the last piece of footwear that I got for my paternal grandmother is this one. This is the same shoe sorry, the same flat or sandal shoe, whatever you want to call it, in the shade copper. And this is what it looks like. It looks so good. My paternal grandmother lives with us and she tried it, but it did not fit her, so she mentioned to me specifically that she wants the same design in a bigger size. So that kind of explains how much she liked these shoes. And these again are very soft, very good quality. It's not bad. The other shoe has the branding on the shoe, but this shoe right here does not have the branding over here. So when I called for an exchange, the delivery executive came and he did not pick up the package because he said that one of the shoe had the branding and the other shoe did not have the branding. I got very mad at the delivery executive because it is not my fault that one of the shoe does not have the branding. I obviously did not rub off the branding from the shoe. So that is one point that I got very mad about. I have placed another request for exchange. This time, if the delivery executive does not take my order, I am going to take some serious steps. Maybe I'll call Flipkart or I'll email them because this is not done. That's one flaw that I found in all the shoes. Other than that, I'm really happy and really pleasantly surprised by the quality of the shoes that I got. They are so cheap and they are so affordable, but yet the quality is so good. My parents and my sister loved the shoes that I got them. Only my maternal grandmother has not seen the shoes yet because we got affected by the virus, so I could not meet her. She also got affected. She even got admitted to the hospital, so I could not give it to her. I'll give it to her in a while after I get them exchanged. So this is it for today's video. These are all the things I got, and if you are looking for affordable and good quality footwear, I would definitely suggest you guys to check Flipkart out. They had amazing varieties of style to choose from, and the quality is really nice as well. So I would highly suggest you guys to check Flipkart out if you are looking for new footwear at a budget. So yeah, this was it for today's video. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.